Hi guys, it's me back in another video. Today I'm going to be eating one of these. These are my last one because my brother ate my last one.
I said pumps only.
Here's my strawberry, but I'm ordering more. 27, but I'm going to hide it from my brother. So let's get it. Well, I'm sure the grape's going to be really good. It's Georgia. They all taste the same. I promise you. They all taste the same.
Go back to home. Let's go to a different map now.
This is not Jello. It's not bad, but like I can't eat the whole thing because it tasted weird. Now I got myself straight down.
That's what like. What does this look like?
Do not order these kind. Well, this is not the regular kind. This is not like the real kind. Because they all taste the same. Tell me in the comments if they're supposed to taste all the same. It tastes bad. Oh. That was nasty. Ew. Do not try those kind. Okay, bye guys. Make sure you go check my video, like I said in the last video. So make sure you go check that out. So, bye guys.